Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6a, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now to get started, you will need to grab one of the SIM eject tools that comes provided with the device in the box. I have one right over here. Now you could also use a paper clip, straighten them out on the ends, and it should work just as well, but you will always need something like super slim like this. Now once you have it, I pop out the SIM tray, which is located on the bottom or like mid-size left side of the phone. Push the pin in, and you will see that the tray comes out, and you have space for just a single SIM card on here. So let's grab it, place it on here, and then insert it back into the phone. Once you do so, the card should start working immediately, as it is right now. So I do have a pin, so I need to confirm it. And once I do, the device will recognize the card and it should function without any problem. So that is how you can insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.